Class, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngizoniphathela uthisha omusha, le ngimphethe-ke la uzonifundisa English nge-English. Mr. Oxford, awubathatha abafundi ngizoma le muva kubukela.
Learners with honorific ability Tibus, this prospiciously auspicious and serendipitously fortuitous opportunity with my Episcopalianism is indeed fabulously prestigious. With that said, I feel quite prominent and venerable to be here. Now, to pontificate myself in a laconic manner, aphoristically and epigrammatically, I am Mr. Oxford, I'm from England, I'm a pedagogue of English. I'll be inculcating you and inducing the concept that have to do with English. Hence, it's of paramount importance that you comprehend everything that I will be expatiating on. Any other conundrums, anything you find to be quite predicating for your mental, cognitive, systematic, neurological functioning. Do you have a conundrum? This should not be a flow signification because it's locophocial. So, whereas in this period we don't speak English, we confabulate using exuberant superlatives. With that said, any other conundrums? What seems to be the predicament?
Skut kanga madolo,